Hey everyone, is Bluetooth not working on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Refresh Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 2. Restart your phone. Restart your phone. This can fix small software issues affecting Bluetooth. Step 3. Check device connection. Make sure the device you're connecting is on and in pairing mode. Step 4. Forget and pair again. Go to settings, Bluetooth. Tap the connected device, choose forget, then pair it again. Step 5. Keep devices close. Make sure your phone and the Bluetooth device are close to each other. Distance can affect connection. Step 6. Reset network settings. Go to settings, system, reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Final tip: if Bluetooth is still not working, check for more software update or try connecting to another device to test. And that's it. These steps should help fix Bluetooth issues on your Android phone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.